The first thing I recommend doing is figuring out if you can synchronize your SIEM rules just down to your local source code repository. So even if you still have to log into your SIEM, make an update to something, and hit submit, at least you know that you're tracking it in your SCM, that you've got a version history on that detection, all those kinds of things.
Got it.
Right? Because like I said, there's two SIEMs on the market that I'm aware of that can do detection as code. So odds are, if you're using the other 8, you're going to have to operate this way.
But it allows you to start with that.
Yeah.
The next step being the GitOps,
Right.
right? The merge approvals and reviews, right?
Yep.
To move on to the next step, and then you have that whole change log.
Absolutely. So then the next step after that is when you start to do that type of inbound batch synchronization of rules, now what you can do is actually diff what's in your source code repository with what just came out of the SIEM. And then you can answer the question, who the heck changed that without going and updating the code in Git? Right?
Got it.
So now
you have a little bit of accountability.
Yeah, you can drive some accountability, not necessarily in real time, but if you're doing a daily, a daily download batch cycle kind of thing to bring that code into your SCM, now you can at least have an exception process that said, oh no, it was an emergency. Casey had to go in and update that rule to stop something from breaking, and now we do it after the fact. That's great. You still have good accountability and audit trail.